Today is Friday, October 18th, and this is the ServiceMonster Show. A new video editing app,
a heartfelt goodbye from a team member,
and the logout button has actually been consolidated.
This week in social media. This week, Adobe launched a new software called Premiere Rush. So it's just a dummied down version of Premiere, and it's built more for YouTubers, casual video makers, and you can make everything off of your phone, push it out to your social media platforms without ever having to hop on a computer. Currently, right now, it's available on iOS devices, Mac, and Windows, and Android coming very soon. Starts at about $10 a month. Check it out.
Hey Snapchat.
Hey Amazon.
Let's do business. Snapchat and Amazon are teaming up. Basically, you can Snapchat a product that you want to buy, and Amazon will let you know if you can buy it from Amazon. Pretty cool. So look forward to that. Could be useful, who knows. This week, Inside Smug. Thank you, Paul Johnston, for your question in Smug about campaign history. So when you are in a drip campaign and you have your all accounts and then the campaign and then whatever it is you're doing after that, emailing, mailing, exporting, in the campaign section, which is green, it's the green box, you can actually click on that and there's a transaction area where you can see all of the past drip campaigns that have already been sent out. So call support if you have questions about that.
Feature of the week. My favorite feature this week is recurring jobs. Going into slow season, many of you guys have jobs that are already in the books because they're monthly, weekly, whatever the case is. We have a button for that. So under the orders tab, go check it out, get those on your schedule, and call us if you have any questions.
This week, inside ServiceMonster.
Next week, ServiceMonster will be down at the UAMCC in Houston, Texas. Mr. Joe Kowalski, the guy behind the camera, Justin, and this guy will be down there. Joe Kowalski will be speaking on Monday at 5:30 p.m., so sign up for that. Stop by, shake our hands, don't be strangers. See you there.
Hey guys, I just wanted to hop in on the show here because I wanted to have a nice goodbye. We actually have two members of our show that are leaving. Nina, this is going to be her final show, and we're all going to miss her very dearly. I worked very closely with her on the onboarding team, so she's greatly going to be missed. And also, Stephanie is actually leaving next week as well. Some of you might not know, but she is actually 9 months pregnant, and she's about to give birth, and going to go off to better things on that front. So kind of wanted to just kind of come together as a team, say goodbye to everyone as a group, and as Javi.
Yeah, you get us two now.
Yeah, so it's gonna be me and Javi. We're gonna be doing bi-weekly segments as well, just to kind of free up our time. We don't have as much time to do the weekly segments, so until we get those jobs positions filled, we'll be doing the show bi-weekly.
Yeah.
So it's been great running with you guys. And,
It's been a blast.
It has been. Yeah.
Perfect.
ServiceMonster product updates.
In our product updates this week for ServiceMonster, I'm going to talk about some new features that we have implemented. We now have a Send Gym button in the account screen, which is very cool. I don't know if you've noticed, but we've consolidated the logout button, the contact ServiceMonster button, and a few others on the top right of your screen. For data tags, we've added two new data tags. One is the account memo field, which is super useful, and the other is the account phone note field. So play around with that, call support if you have any questions. From everyone here at ServiceMonster, thank you so much for your attention.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Check out the demo.
Give us a call. A new video editing app.
A heartfelt goodbye from one of our team members.
And the logout button has been consolidated. That's a hard word to say. Sorry, can we do that again?
Yeah.
Consolidated.
Consolidated. New video editing app.
A heartfelt goodbye from a team member.
And the...
See, it's not so easy,
It's
honey.
not so
now.
easy.
It's not so easy, huh?
The logout button has been consolidated.